The Tread GT, a Grand Touring edition, is constructed using high-quality automotive-grade polypropylene, delivering great strength, impact resistance, and durability. With a material formulation that performs all year round in ambient temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, along with a tough, rugged design profile, the Tread GT will provide great reliability and performance in any off-road recovery situation. The Tread GT boasts industry-leading designs with our concave convex profile, our directional grip pattern, and our progressive variable tooth design, which was created from a tyre modelling database containing hundreds of the leading tyre manufacturers' tread patterns. The Tread GT is a super lightweight recovery device, weighing in at only 2.7 kilograms per board. It is approximately 109 centimeters long, 32 centimeters wide, and 6.2 centimeters high. The Tread GT has been specially designed to nest together in an ultra-low profile of only 8.4 centimeters. We recommend the Tread GT for use with vehicles weighing up to 4 tonne, or if you have a multi-axle vehicle, we recommend 2 tonne per axle. The Tread GT offers you a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects and is proudly Australian made. Tread GTs are available in a large range of colours, available to perfectly complement your vehicle's colour, build and looks. If you are looking to explore, do it with confidence and carry Tread on your next adventure.